It's May 4th, 2017, Thursday, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Looking at the Wall Street Journal, we see that the crude oil continues to fall. Now it's below 47 bucks a barrel. So we do see there's increasing supplies coming into the market and pushing the prices down for the West Texas Instrument, WTI. Now a lot of movement in the FX market. Alright, look at the Asian market. Nikkei went up 100 points, that's not bad. So it's indicative of good movements ahead for the US markets. FTSE, all the DAX, the CAC are all going up. Indicative of good things coming. And yesterday the Dow Jones moved up a little bit. And look at the futures. The futures are looking pretty good. Looking to go up by 33 for the Dow Jones. So the GOP is still working on replacing or repealing the ACA. Obamacare. They're working on it, but it seems like they're always trying to rush something in. And since it's not well thought out, in my opinion, which you need to take time to discover, I don't think they will pass it through. That's my opinion, but it may be wrong. Alright, the president is rolling back restrictions on religious groups. Well, there is always a separation of church and state, but it's never really separate. Because we do use the Bible for swearing in federal judges, the president, and elected officials. So you do see the Shell is profiting. That's not bad. You see on CNBC, futures going up, and the oil is still below 47 bucks. Akamai Technologies falling 15%. Alright, so it did fell 10 bucks. Alright. BlackBerry is producing Android phones. It's a good step, but Android is still Android, is open source. And they claim to be, more secure. How is it more secure when you're sharing the same code base that's open source? Yeah, there was a phishing attack on that targets millions of Gmail users. Asking it's an email that asks you to share Google Docs. I got one of those, but I wasn't willing to share the Google Docs, so I didn't fall for it because it was asking something out of the ordinary, and I wasn't asking to share any Google Docs, so I let it go. Alright, let's go to Bloomberg. GOP's keep doing this. If they fail on this attempt, they will still keep on doing it. It's probably the natural process because you're doing it a little bit too quick without all the considerations, and it's going to mess up a lot of senior citizens' care. And as you know, the most powerful demographic interest group is like grandparents telling their capable adult children to protect their health care. That's stronger than any known secret society relationship that I know. It's grandparents telling their grown children to protect themselves. Here's a revealing headline. Apple buys more company debt than the world's biggest bond funds. That's interesting. With that large cash pile, they do need a predictable and steady income with that cash pile. Trump threatens to break up banks aren't scaring the Wall Street yet. Yeah, it's a long process and you need legislative approval for that. Google and Facebook idealistic futures are built on ads. Yes, this is the distinction that you need, like a savvy investor need to know. Google and Facebook, majority of their income is based on advertising. So you can tell their advertising from a website or like real estate on a mobile app that's shown ads. That's it. That's how they make the bulk of their money. People fail to see that and they try to disillusion you and they're thinking they're tech companies. Yeah, they're doing like tech stuff to sell more ads. Alright, that's that with the realization. Dunkin' Donuts beats first quarter forecast. That's not bad. Scripps Networks. This is a pretty interesting. Probably have to keep watch on Scripps Network now. Alright, so basically it's a little bit brief today. I understand that, and we make up for it in more content and features on specific stocks. Alright, today's Thursday, May 4th, 2017, and I do have Indian followers and Chinese business followers. Something that I mentioned before, India's Modi got wind of my features on Amazon and they went for a big hug with the Amazon to gain favors. And Another my commentary, sometimes actionable commentary, is like the Chinese business investors. They bought out a German robotics firm after they saw my music videos featuring these robotics on supercars. All right, so there you go. Today's Thursday, and tomorrow is the jobs day, which is the big content day. It's probably either something's gonna happen, like a little bit of a hockey stick maybe today, in preparation of tomorrow. Things like that, or tomorrow's got like a big reaction. Yeah, so we see is like a pretty good omen because the jobs market released today, showing that less than expected people applying for first-time unemployment. So that's not bad. All right. Good luck and happy trading.